All right, so I've been paying for platforms to train custom LoRa's and generate AI images for months now, but I just discovered something that's completely free. No GPU setup, no credit card required. This is ModelScope Civision, and if you're into LoRa training, image and video generation, or just creating custom AI models, you need to see this. So what exactly is ModelScope? Think of it as basically a mixture of Hugging Face and Civitai. It's a community for open source models where you can find a complete collection of many models. You get up to 2,000 free API inferences every single day, plus unlimited cloud storage for your models, datasets, and applications. But what I want to talk about today is their Civision section. Here, you can get free image generation, free video generation, and you can perform LoRa training, all free of cost. You don't need a credit card here, and they don't have any paid plans. Instead, you receive a daily Magicube quota, which is currently 100 per day. Magicube is basically their credit system that you use for generating images and videos. And if you want to increase your quota further, you can complete various tasks to get more. Additionally, I will provide an invite code in the video description. If you use this invite code when signing up, another 100 will be added to your daily quota. You'll get 100 extra free Magicubes. Let's start with image generation. There are two sections, instant generation and advanced generation. In instant, you simply select a model, enter a prompt, choose an aspect ratio, and generate. In advanced generation, you get many more options like negative prompts. If you go into select models, there are a lot of checkpoints available here. Besides that, you can also select LoRa's that people have already trained and publicly uploaded, and you can directly select them to generate images in a specific style. And then you have all the standard settings you'd expect. You can change the CFG scale, the seed value for reproducibility, aspect ratio, number of images you want to generate, plus you can also turn on the upscaling option. If you enable upscaling, you can upscale your image by 2x or 4x using different upscaling models. As soon as the image is generated, it will be automatically upscaled. So basically, everything is here that you need for complete control over your generations. Let me show you a generation using Qwen Image 2512, which is their latest model. I've entered my prompt here, and I'll click on Generate. It will ask if you want a watermark or watermark-free image. I'll select watermark-free. The generation will take about 10 to 30 seconds. Here, you can see the cost is only 2 Magicubes. This means if you have 100 credits, you can generate 50 images every day with the latest Qwen image model. If you select Z-Image, that only costs 1 Magicube, meaning you can generate 100 images. And if you sign up using the code from my description, you'll get double the Magicubes. This limit resets every day. So, our image has been generated. Look at how wonderfully it has generated this. The realism of Qwen Image is quite good. Now I'll do another quick generation using Z-Image with this prompt, an ancient moss-covered robot offering a glowing flower to a small child in a post-apocalyptic forest. Look, our image has been generated. The robot is giving the child a glowing flower and it has generated it in a very cool way. Z-Image is an open-source model that generates very high-quality images. And there's no watermark, it's completely free. Now let me show you video generation. You can see at the top there are options for image to video and text to video. Let's do image to video first. I'll select the 5 billion parameter model, set the aspect ratio to landscape, and video duration can be from 3 to 5 seconds. A 10-second option will be available soon. I've provided this drone shot image and given it the prompt forward aerial movement with gentle camera drift. This consumes 14 Magicubes. I'll click on Generate Video, and now our video is being generated. There you go, our video has been generated. Look at how wonderfully it has animated the drone movement. It has created a very beautiful video. You can either publish or download it. Another thing, there's a generation history button where you can check out all your previous generations, both images and videos. You are getting unlimited cloud storage. Now let's check text to video quickly. I'll give it this prompt, a woman laughing genuinely. We've selected the 5 billion parameter model and landscape aspect ratio. Let's generate the video. The video's been generated. The result isn't overly impressive, but I used the 5 billion parameter model. If I had used the 14 billion, I might have gotten a better result. Overall, I just wanted to show you that you can do free image and video generation here. All right, now let's move to the main part, which is quite impressive and completely free. This is the model training section, LoRA Training, because training custom models usually requires either a beefy local GPU or cloud compute. Here, completely free, and it doesn't even use your Magicubes. Here, you can train a LoRA for any of their image models. You can select a base model like Qwen Image, Z-Image, or Flux and train LoRAs for it. It costs you 0 Magicubes. You can download it and use it in your ComfyUI or anywhere else you're already running. The process is simple. You select the number of repeats, the training epochs, give your LoRA a name, add an optional trigger word, and then upload your images. We've uploaded several images all in the same pose. Then we click on Start LoRA Training. This will take some time, but it is completely free. The training is complete. I have fast-forwarded it. Now you can see we have tested the generation. The generated image is just like the images we provided for the LoRA. The pose is captured really well. And here's the best part. You can download your trained LoRA and use it directly in ComfyUI or any other workflow you're already running. It's not locked into the ModelScope ecosystem. Now, here's something really cool happening right now. ModelScope is running the Qwen Image LoRA online hackathon with serious prizes. If we go to their competition page, you can see all the details. It's running from February 2nd to March 1st. We're talking iPhone 17 Pro Max, PlayStation 5 Pros, $800 gift cards. All the training is completely free on ModelScope. You can see there are 2 winners for an iPhone 17 Pro Max, 4 winners for a Sony PlayStation 5 Pro, 6 winners for $800, and 50 winners for a popularity award. To participate, you train a LoRA publicly, generate 6 images with your LoRA, upload them to Twitter, tag their official handles, and use specific hashtags. All the rules and details are written here. If you're already working with LoRA models, this is no-brainer. So here's my honest take. If you're serious about LoRA training but don't want to deal with local GPU limitations or cloud compute bills, Civision is worth exploring. The fact that trained LoRAs export to ComfyUI means you're not locked into their ecosystem. Image generation is solid, video generation is impressive, and the LoRA training is legitimately useful. Links to Civision and the hackathon registration are in the description below, along with that invite code for the bonus credits. If you end up building something with this, drop a comment or tag me. I'd love to see what you create. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you must like and comment, and I will see you in my next video.